it did what it was supposed to do. So I'm excited that an Amazon seller sent this to me, asking me to do a review on it, and let me show you how it works. I've watched multiple friends use this, so for them, it worked amazing. So that's how I know that this actually does work for at least my friends. So let's see what it looks like inside. Alright, so first, this is what it looks like. Really pretty. Then this is a charging cord. Then glasses, because it's bright. Then a razor, because I know you shave first. Then a cloth to wipe the light window after every use. So let's take a look at this and see how it works. Something that I've learned in here is the way the technology of this works is it's called intense pulsed light. And what it does is the light stimulates the hair follicle and puts it in a resting state, and then it sloughs out. Interesting. It says right here to use it for 8 weeks. The first 1 to 4 weeks, you do 3 times a week. Then for weeks 5 to 8, you do twice a week. And then after the 8-week treatment, about once a month, just to maintain. I'm wearing glasses. She's wearing the glasses that come with it, so that we make sure we get all the spots on my armpit. We've already played with it. Tell them about the manual and auto mode.
So as you turn it on, it'll go into manual mode. And right as it turns on, it'll default to setting number 1, which is the lightest to do. And pretty much what you do is with the manual mode, you have to click the button to actually make it work, but if you put it on the auto mode, which you just hold this down, and it will appear to say auto right there. And so then right as you put it up against the skin, it'll start going if you have it in the right placement.
So watch this.
This is auto.
And it is cold. It is not hot at all. The only thing I'm feeling is cold. Not even ice cube, but just cold. So basically they say do this on each spot, and you do it 3 times a week for the first 4 weeks, then 2 times a week for the next 5 through 8, and then maintenance once a month. And it goes from level 1 to level 9, depending on how heavy duty you want it to go. And then you can manually do it like she said, or click it on auto, and every time you touch the skin, it just automatically does it itself. Now I know why my friends love this one. I was expecting it to hurt, because in college, the one we had hurt so bad. I wouldn't even know that this was doing anything except it's cold. I'm so excited to be using this.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for your support.